Dynamic Symmetry Root 2 Framework. Rule of thirds: top third, left third, right third, and bottom third. Canvas size is a ratio of width to height. Root 2 is 1.414. 17 by 12 canvas size has a 1.411 ratio. Photo has a canvas size of 17 by 12. High-speed sync flash, shutter speed of 1/3200th of a second. This freezes the motion of the running dogs. It also illuminates the dogs, creating good figure-to-ground relationship. So figure-to-ground relationship, that's when we have this light figure on a dark background. You could see that by tracing an outline around the figure, and if there is clear separation between the dog and the background, then that's how we know that we have a good figure-to-ground relationship. As you can see, active space. This is the room around, the room for the subject to move into. So dogs are moving in this direction, and this is the active space, which was composed and left open so they can move into it. Dynamic symmetry, rectangular framework composed of diagonals and reciprocals. This is the Root 2 framework. It locks into the gray dog. On the center of the head, it locks into the sinister diagonal. The sinister diagonal is here. And the reciprocal, which is the line that runs this way, locks into the gray dog's hind leg. The Baroque diagonal locks into the foreleg of this dog, and the reciprocal also locks in. The gray dog's head is in the top left polar point, which is his polar point right here. And Juliet dog locks into the Baroque diagonal, which is this diagonal, and also this reciprocal. There's a second. Now gazing direction, where the subject is looking. So we see that the gray dog, his eye is right on this line that goes directly to Juliet dog. And Juliet, gazing direction, is looking straight at the camera, looking right at you, the viewer. Rule of thirds, framework divides the canvas into thirds. So we can see that right here is the third, which is in the top third and the left third. And looking again at Juliet, Juliet is on this vertical, which is the right third.